Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review of one of my favourite cleansers, or my ultimate favourite cleanser, and it is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So if this is the type of video that you like, please stick around and watch my review and give me a thumbs up, let me know you've watched this video. So what I'll do today, I'll test the product out on my face and show you how I use it, how I best like to use it, and just give you some tips and stuff about where you can buy it from. I buy this from qvcuk.co.uk, but you can buy it from .com I think as well, and I pay £54 for it, which is a lot of money for a cleanser, I know, but for the size that you get, 200 grams, it's a lot, a product for your money. Now the 100 gram one I think is like £45, so just for paying that a little bit extra more, you get double the amount of product, which I think is amazing. And I've used a lot of cleansers, and this one by far is my favourite. I use this every night, especially when I'm using a lot of makeup, which I've got quite a bit of makeup on today which I want to remove, and I always use this one. If I've not got no makeup on, I will just use a light cleanser. I wouldn't use this one just simply because I think it'd be a waste of product. It's definitely geared to removing shit off your face, so this is what I like to use it for, and it definitely removes every little bit of makeup and a bit of grime that you've got on your face, not like other cleansers which I've tried where you think you've removed all your makeup and then you come to do an extra wipe on your face and you've still got orangey makeupy bits left on your face. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll just tie my hair out of my face. I've got a bowl of hot water in front of me, or warm water, which I wouldn't normally do. I'd normally do it over a sink, but for the video's sake I'll show you how to do it here on camera, or how good it is. Show you how good it is. So my hair's out my face. Now this smells like a spa. It literally smells like heaven. It's got like lavender, ginger, ylang ylang. It's got loads and loads of different oils. Almond oil, leaf oil, flower oil, jojoba, citrus oils, namely oranges, grape oils. It's got a lot of good essential oils in there. So I'll show you the amount that I normally take. I just scrape my finger in there and take about that amount. Can you see that? There we are. Then I like to just warm that up in between my fingers and then just rub it in circular motions gently onto the face, not disturbing all the lovely wrinkles and creating new wrinkles. So I have literally got everything on my face. I've got foundation, concealer, powder, highlighter, blusher, a brow pomade, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick. I've got literally everything that you can have on your face, You know, I'll look a bit crazy at the minute, but I think you can see that it's breaking down all that makeup and all that grime that you've got on your face. It like melts it away from your skin. So I like to spend at least 2 or 3 minutes just working this into the skin, and I'll do it a bit quicker for this video just to make sure we've broken down every last bit of makeup that might be clinging to the skin. If you give that a good rub across your eyes, it will remove all your eye makeup as well. I don't know whether you're meant to do that or whether you're meant to keep it away from your eyes, but I always do it and I've never ever had any issues with making my eyes sting or anything like that. So I'm just going to take my cloth, got a clean cloth with warm water, nothing else. I'm just going to rub that across my face, and this is what I would do at the sink. You can see how much lovely rubbish there is on that cloth. I think if you're going to do this and just splash water across your face, it won't remove your makeup as good as if you use a cloth, because all the fibres get into your pores as well. And obviously it'll remove any dead skin as well that you've got left on there, just a little bit of exfoliation. Just rub that across my eyes gently. Now, the mascara and the waterproof mascara I'll add that I use just comes off, like, just glides off really easily with the oils that's in the cleanser. Now you can see how much makeup I had on by how many blemishes I've got, and that you can see. So I like to just keep going over and over, making sure everything's removed, and obviously down your neck as well. I do bring my foundation down my neck too. Now, if I could lift the bowl and show you the colour of the water, it's disgusting. So if I was at the sink, I'd just keep rinsing my cloth out under clean warm water. Now, that's the cloth. Disgusting, but if your face is really nice and clean now. And I like to follow up with another ELEMIS product, and it's their balancing toner. It's a lavender balancing toner. I think I bought these two as a pair actually. I think they had like a set on QVC. Not with this particular one, but I think I got the 100ml. I got the 100ml bottle with this, which is 200ml. I can't remember how much I paid for that one. Just like to spritz that onto my face. I don't like to wipe it off with a cloth. A beauty therapist showed me how to use this once and said if you just spritz it onto your face, you're just leaving it to do its work and to sink into the skin. And this actively helps your pores to close as well. So once you've opened your pores up with the warm water, this helps to close it. So that's definitely a good product to use before you put any products on your face like makeup and creams and stuff. It stops it sinking in to your pores. So I would follow up with an oil, and I use the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil. Just take a couple of drops of that on my face. Stuff feels really nice, and it smells really nice too. Then after I've done that, I just like to put a little bit of Clinique's Dramatically Different lotion. Just do 2 pumps of that and just rub that in. And my skin is all good to go, all prepped ready for bed. And I would follow up later when I actually get into bed with an eye cream, just to tackle those puffy eyes and wrinkles. So you can see how fresh my skin looks and how awake it feels. I would definitely recommend this to anybody that's especially a makeup lover and like to put a lot of product onto the face. This gets rid of everything. I have tried every other cleanser out there and nothing compares to this. So it doesn't matter what the price is to me, I think it's definitely worth it. I'll link below where you can buy it from as well. I'm not sure they've still got the same deal on QVC, but you can buy this elsewhere. So if you've enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and let me know you've seen it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.